Okay, in this section we're going to talk about one-sided limits. You're going to see some new notation on this. You're going to see the limit as you approach c, and then in the exponent position you're going to see a plus or a minus sign. So that has nothing to do with the actual sign of c. It doesn't mean we have negative c or positive c. This is indicating which direction that you're coming from in this case. So if you have a c with a plus sign on top of it, that means that you're approaching c from the right hand side, or you're approaching it from the positive side. Positive values go to the right, negative values go to the left. So the plus here, that means you're approaching it from that positive side, or from the right. Likewise, if you have a minus sign there, that means you're now approaching it from the negative side. So you're approaching it this way from the left. So you're finding the limit as you're approaching c from the left hand side, the negative side. So both of these kind of make up the limit as x approaches c. So if you want to find the limit as x approaches c of f of x, so we don't have plus or minus, we just have regular c, then this is what has to be true. These two must not only exist, but both of these must also equal to each other. So if this goes to one number and then this goes to a different number, that means that we can't say that this one exists. Both of these have to go to the same number, so in this case both of them are going to be going to L. So that means that this one now would have to go approach the same number. So I know that the limit as x approaches c of x, that also has to equal L as well. So again, it only exists if these two limits exist and they both approach the same number. So in this section we're going to talk about graphically the idea of this, and we're also going to take a look at some examples. The first examples we'll take a look at are ones that are more algebraic, and then we'll look at some that involve looking at graphs and reading values off certain values off the graph as we approach it from the left and from the right.